How to see Reels history on Facebook. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into the settings on Facebook so you can see your Reels history. So if you're trying to find a reel that you liked or commented on, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. All right, so to see our Reels history on Facebook, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, then simply select the menu button in the bottom right of the Facebook app. Once you get to the Facebook menu, select the gear in the top right next to the search icon to open up the settings. Now that we're in the settings for Facebook, scroll down and under Your Activity, select Activity Log. So this will show you a list of all of your activity on Facebook. And as you can see below, you can see some of the reels that I liked. And if I select those, it'll open up the reel. But if we have a lot of activity in here, we can select filters in the top menu and then select categories. And we have a couple options in here. So unfortunately, there is no way to filter to where we can see our watch history for reels that we've watched, but we can filter to see the reels that we've liked or commented on Facebook. And to do that, once we're in the category section of the filter, select comments and reactions. Now, if you want to see reels that you commented on, select comments. Or if you want to see reels that you liked or reacted to, select likes and reactions. And that's what I'm going to do. So once I do that, you'll see the different reels in here that I liked on Facebook. Now, if you want to see that reel again, simply select it. Or if you want to remove that reel from your watch history, select the three dots to the right of that reel, and then you can unlike it, and that reel will no longer show up in your history on Facebook. All right, so that's how you see your reels history on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.